Tay Cat is a company from Dong Thap, Vietnam. We bring tropical fruit rolls to domestic and international markets. We bring the richness of the Mekong into every roll. Local ingredients and real fruit shape our Vietnamese identity. Tay Cat is a women-led business in the Mekong Delta. Most of our production team are local women. We combine careful handcraft with stable production capacity. Our key product line is tropical fruit rolls. They are traditional in spirit, yet modern in format. Our product combines real fruit and traditional sticky rice paper. It is a compact, grab-and-go snack for today's consumers. Our core products include pineapple roll, soursop roll, and mango roll. Each one highlights the natural taste of tropical fruit. We offer snack bar formats for modern lifestyles. They are compact, convenient, and easy to enjoy anywhere. Tay Cat offers distinctive products with clear market potential. We focus on quality, health-conscious choices, and long-term partnership.